Fans of BBNaija star, popularly known as Titans, have surprised Tacha after they gifted her a whooping sum of 6 million naira and a delivery bus with 3 bikes on her birthday. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from this channel. The social media influencer, reality TV star, and entrepreneur Tacha Akide, better known as Tacha, turned 25 yesterday, 23rd December 2020. In the video shared, Tacha, who had a birthday dinner party with close friends and loved ones, were mesmerized with shock after her fans presented to her a check of 6 million naira and a delivery bus and 3 delivery motorbikes for her 25th birthday. Tacha, who was known as an Instagram influencer, gained prominence after she was disqualified from the BBNaija show in 2019. The Rivers-born beauty turned 25 yesterday, December 23. She took to her social media page to share lovely photos of herself.